Hello, welcome to DeckMaker. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create custom shapes in PowerPoint. The prerequisite one is a Badaboom Font. You can get the link for the same in the description. In the first one, select an oval shape with large size. Select oval shape again, but small in size comparatively. Now go to Merge Shapes and select Subtract to subtract the new shape from the old. Continue this activity until we receive our final product. Now enlarge the shape . Change its color, create a duplicate one and shrink it accordingly. Now we have to add text. For that, select text shape. Change font to Badaboom and resize it to 290. Go to Format, change text color and change the text outline, add more weight to it. Copy and repeat, then change text to get our final output. For the second shape, select a triangle, copy it and then adjust it. Complete this activity till we get our final product. Select all, go to Format and opt for Union in Merge Shapes. Select oval shape and fill the gap. Then select two shapes and choose Union again. Manage shape size. Copy it and shrink it. Then change its color. Now add text. Change its color and outline. Replace text to get our final output. In the third one, select an oval shape. Right-click on it, click on Edit Points, adjust respective points to get our final shape. Select a triangle. Adjust it and place downwards. Select them. Go to Merge Shapes and opt for Union. Copy the shape and change its color after resizing. In another slide, select an oval shape, copy it, adjust the second shape so we can get another shape with a different design. Copy the shape and place it appropriately over the old shape. Then add text, take appropriate actions to get our output. For our last shape, select a rectangle, add one more and adjust it to the corner. Then subtract it. Repeat this activity to get our shape. Then copy the shape, resize and change color. After which, select an oval shape . Change its color and resize it. Add text to it and then adjust the elements. Which will give us our final output. I hope you like this tutorial. For our upcoming videos, stay tuned to TechMaker and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Happy learning!